Hey beautiful! Today, sharing of my daily meditation, 3 minutes practice. This short meditation is a great check-in with yourself. Feel appreciation what you have now, great health, or great family, ohana, or great job, whatever. Please feel comfortable position on the couch or bed, in the bathroom, the beach, just sit down living room. Relax and shoulder is down. From the top of the head to the end of your toes. Chakra check. Imagine and photocopier light slowly moving over your body. No matter what our stage in life, I will be happy. We often stuck in cycle of negativity. Where does their through begin? Where does it end? Let me ask you, if not today, then when? Let me just begin today. Why does it matter? Today, start compassion, love, your smile. This affirmation practice effective, motivated, positive mind. Okay, let me start. Taking slower, keeping deep breaths. Just 10 seconds. Inhale, 10 seconds, exhale. Feeling lungs, chakra. You can reset your body in a positive way. Slowly inhale.